Today I want us to look at how to create nice looking slicers for your report. So on the screen you can see two slicers representing the same data. So you have the slicer on the left, which is what we get in the inbuilt Power BI visualizations, and then you have another one on the right, which is which has the same data, but when you compare the two slicers, you can easily see that one is you know uh, a bit more appealing as compared to the other. So personally, I like this particular slicer here because it sort of give you uh, it takes less space, and then it organizes your slide your items in a manner that is easily readable, or legible to the users, or the consumers of your report. And then the other thing I found interesting about this one is that you can resize your slicer with a lot of ease. So let me show you something. So when you come to your slicer, which is what you get in the already inbuilt visualization. Notice if I wanted to resize this one, it hides, or it sort of hides out some of the items as I go up. So this has really comes with a lot of inconvenience, because say you wanted to just minimize the space taken up by this slicer. It's going to inconvenient you a lot. I know some would say that you can convert this to sort of a horizontal sort of format, but again notice that it is still going to take up a lot of space as compared to this one. So the question today is, how do we get a nice looking slicer that you are looking at on the right? So very quickly, I'm just going to show you how you can get your nice looking slicer that is on the right. Power BI has a library of other visualizations apart from the ones that you are seeing here. So you can easily download it and include it to be part of your visualizations, and you can use them for your own report. So how do you do that? So you simply head to your browser, and then you type in Power BI Visuals. So when you type in Power BI Visuals, there is a library of business applications there. So you just click on that link. As it opens up, you will see that you have open source Power BI applications that are available to the users. So the slicer that I had taken is the one that is written chiclet. So it's a chiclet slicer. So this is what we want. So you can either scroll through the different visualizations available, or you can go ahead and type it if you already know the slicer that you are looking for, or the visualization that you are looking for. So you can when you go to when you click on the visualization that you want, you can download a sample from there. So our sample has now been downloaded. So when you go back to your Power BI desktop, you come to the visualization part, and then you click on the three dots. Then you say import a visual from a file. So notice that we had already downloaded this one. So you just say chiclet, the one that you had just downloaded, and then you say open open Visual, then you say update. So notice that it says import successful, which means you can now you are now brought the Visual, and it is available for you to use. So this is the chiclet slicer that we have just added. So if you want to use it, you just click on it. Click on the slicer, the usual way that you do when setting up your slicer for the report. So click on the slicer and then put in country. So when you put it country, this is the slicer that I have it already here. So I just wanted to show you how you can quickly create a nice looking slicer. And notice the advantage of this, that it takes up very, very minimal space as compared to the one you already have in the inbuilt visualization for a slicer. So you can actually even adjust resize the slicer, and it will not hide the items that are already on the slicer. So this is the beauty of this slicer here, and I think you guys will find it very, very helpful as you do your reports on Power BI, which you can go ahead and publish it on Power BI surface. If you like this, kindly give this video a thumbs up, and I will be doing more videos on the tricks that you can use to make your report better. So thank you very much for